Okay, so I need to clarify some stuff about welding labor rates that was not covered in our initial video about why medium to larger size businesses can actually charge lower labor rates than smaller operations. Hood Time was initially built for small welding businesses where you could only work on one job physically at one time. The minimum viable rate calculator is not actually your labor rate, it's what your business is costing you. So you have to meet that number to keep your business afloat. For businesses that can only work on one project at a time, then that rate is going to equal your labor rate. But in the initial video, I didn't explain what happens when you scale up. How is it that these medium to larger size businesses can actually charge lower labor rates but have more overhead? First, they might just have better tooling and more efficient operations. Second, they might be charging separate line items for things that a smaller business would generally just roll up into their labor rate. So when you hear that they're only charging between $80 and $100 an hour, that's not the full story. But one of the biggest factors is their ability to run multiple jobs at the same time. For a small shop that can only run one job at a time, if your business is costing you $150 an hour, then you need to charge $150 an hour. Check out the other video for more details on that. But for companies that are running multiple jobs at the same time, the lower labor rate of say $100 an hour multiplied over 3 jobs, that's $300 per hour. In both cases, the goal is the same. You have to cover your overhead. But different capacity allows you to price differently. The rate calculator in Hood Time shows what your business is costing you. How much you charge depends on a lot of things, including how many simultaneous jobs you can run at the same time. Thanks for watching.